Hello everyone and welcome to All About Sadness and Entertainment channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna share Jungkook's snoring got heard in Taehyung bedroom live today from home. Special latest clip in complete detail, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go click on the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Yes, this is true. Jungkook's snoring got heard in Taehyung bedroom live today that he did from home. We all know that Taehyung and Jungkook both are in Korea right now, and only Taehyung are in Korea as other BTS members are in other countries. Fans got really happy after they heard Jungkook snoring because they clearly know that Taehyung and Jungkook are together as only both of them are in Korea. So definitely it was Jungkook who was snoring at that time. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye everyone.